What's up, everybody? It's Jerry, aka Cloak, here in the Stu Garage, as you can see. First off, I want to thank everybody for copping the shirts and that I've made in the past. I still have a few of them, just so you guys can see. It says CS on it. I should unpackage it, but I don't want to unpackage it. They sold out pretty well. This one's like the blue one. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody. I know I haven't done that, and I really don't get on here and do that as much. But I don't really social media, but I'm trying my best. But anyways, I'm just gonna explain like how to start a clothing brand from the ground up. Really, I mean, first thing you're gonna do is obviously get your LLC, which is like I got mine through PayPal, and it'll tell you that you might get an email. There's a whole process I did like years ago, so I'm still trying to figure it out. I mean, the last thing I need to do is get an IEN number, so like if I start getting bigger customers and all that, like bigger companies will see what I'm trying to do and then maybe invest in what I got going on. But really, like if you don't have your LLC, I'm sure you can still start by just getting a big cartel or Shopify or whatever else is out there, you know what I mean? But really, like that's all you really need. And then I have an industrial vinyl cutter. It's like right here. I'll probably show that later in the video. And behind me, I have a screen printer. So, and then right down here at the bottom of me, I don't know if you can see that in the edit. I have an embroidery machine, and then it's also a sewing machine. So I can do whatever. Really, I've just been doing everything on my own. So, and some stuff like this hat that I got on, and I got a bunch of them. Let me grab them real quick. No, yeah, I just got like a bunch of these hats, you know what I mean? And I'll do a close-up view of it so you guys can see like a little 3D scan. I don't know. But I got a bunch of them. And then I got a bunch of these cool girl advertisements. Go mess with the music, we're gonna hit soon, so it's coming. So yeah, this one just says cool girl. It's not packaged because I've been doing it here at the house on the Stu Garage. So I don't know if that's hard to see or easy to see on the screen, but I have a black one. Where's purple? Yeah, this is a little advertisement. It has fake dates on it, but this design I just made up. It's kind of fun though, so either way. But yeah, really I just wanted to come in here and just show you like some of the stuff. That hat was $40. Those tees were $25 because I'm just starting off with the screen printer. I mean, I know how to screen print, but I'm trying to make it look good and make sure it's setting right. But yeah, still good, still fire. And then I just wanted to show you guys some of the designs that I have. Like the stuff I've been doing, and I got this jacket. I got this leather jacket I thrifted, or got out of the garage sale actually, and this little motorcycle girl, says Cool Studio on it. I did a halftone print for my brother for his birthday. This is like a test trial print, but it says FDG meat, and it has this halftone face on it. And I'll show you guys some of the prints if it'll show up on the screen, but yeah, that one's kind of tough. It's dark, but it was a test print, so the design, so you can see that. These are just gonna be like some little stuff that I'm doing. This is stuff that I'm working on. Let me find the halftone ones. Like the halftone ones are fire, so I'd rather show you guys those right now. And Then you got me, aka Travis Pop, aka Travis Scott, aka Pop Scott, or Jerry, or Cloak, Pete out of 8. So, but we gonna turn up. We gonna turn up. Let me find out one of my brothers is on fire. Yeah, this is stuff. This isn't the big one, but it's one of them. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll say you guys did. Oh yeah, we got the love or tough love for the jeans. So those are coming. I'll show you. It's pretty massive, but you guys can see that. That's where it went. That's where it could go wherever, honestly. That's why I got the screen running. But that's typically where I designed it. And the best one, this is gonna be, since it's white,